How do you add collaborators to YouTube playlist? To add collaborators to YouTube playlist, first of all, you have to launch the YouTube application on your device. Once you open it, you simply have to now go ahead on, then tap on the bottom right corner or U option. From here, head to the specific playlist that you want to set it to collaboration. Once you find them, you simply have to go ahead and then open the playlist itself. Tap on this pencil-like icon, and then you'll find this collaborate option. Go ahead and tap on this. From here, make sure that the collaboration or collaborate option is turned on. You'll also find allow new collaborators option. Once you turn this on, you will find invite collaborators button over here. Go ahead and tap on this. From here, once the link is generated, you can simply copy it or send it via mail or using the native message application on your device, or use any sort of social media to share this link. Recipient has now have to simply tap on that link and accept the invitation. Now they can also add videos, downvote and upvote on this specific playlist. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.